Sevanna is a totally dependent, strong person.
She walked in the room, she lit up the place. She just lit up the place, and she's not afraid. She is fearless, absolutely fearless.
Coming from an area where nobody goes to college, nobody expects you to succeed in a big place like that. I'm trying to do something different with my life, trying to get out of the situation that my family's in.
You know, Heartland Scholars is provides kind of a unique niche in terms of it helps provide the support system and the structure around the needs of first-generation college students from rural communities. They're unique in that they have a type of grit and determination that I don't see in other students.
It is a group of 10 members. We're all first-generation students from rural areas in Missouri and Illinois. We're all from small towns. We all have parents that didn't go to college. We're always like really close. It's like kind of like having brothers and sisters.
It's just hearing them talk and just hearing the camaraderie and that sense of community they have with one another is really something really special.
Being a bigger sister has been a really, really big thing for me. Talon is my littlest brother, and he is a year and a half. River, he's a boy, he's 6, and Delaney, she's 14. Randy, she is 10. Being like the one that my siblings came to, I think it's helped me grow up in a sense. And they taught me a lot about like who I need to be as a person and how compassion needs to be there. A lot of my childhood was taken care of, not only my siblings, but like my mom too when she had us.
Family Services said that Sevanna was being the mom. She was made to be the mom at 8, 7 years old.
When I was around 9, we were taken away from my mom. My grandma actually took us in. It definitely was hard, like our relationship, because I loved her. And as she got sober and as she came more into our life, we're really close now. It took us a long time to get there, but now that we are there, I don't think that it's gonna change. I learned that family is very important to me.
You don't let family go. You just don't. I felt like both the mom and the grandma at different times. There's no words. They're gonna make me cry.
I'm gonna cry.
Yeah, there's no words. I'm super proud that she got the scholarships, and because I couldn't have done it. I couldn't have sent her. They're a godsend, you know, they really are. It has meant everything for Sevanna.
I actually don't think I would have been as successful without the Heartland Scholars. This scholarship and this program has really meant a lot to me and to the rest of the Heartland Scholars. We came from nothing. A lot of us came from nothing. One day I hope I can repay some of the things that they've done for me, maybe not to them, for people that do need it as well.
This program is really special in that it's making a difference in the lives of these students in a way that I don't think we've seen on campus before.
She is what she is because of the way her life was. Tough as it may seem, it could have broke her, but it didn't. It made her.